fight back like the empire, and we'll televise the revolution. What will save you from divine retribution? Do our part, try to make a contribution. Playing at 11, giving OC noise pollution. Think looking hard about our world today. What needs to be said and what I need to say. We're a tower of Babel, built on anti-philosophy. DJ in the west and Christian in the east. Generations, all of these Christians abandoned the stations. The whole world around us that we cease to reach. Army of soldiers, we neglected to teach. But it's dim and now pitch black, the truth will prevail. If our God is for us, how can we fail? No surer hope has ever been rested, but our adversaries worthy, prepared to be tested. How will you stand if you don't understand? Fight like a man, scriptures in hand. And here we stand, naked, barehanded, brutally prepared for the blows to be landed. Free suppositions is all you can stand on. Can you twist their wrists when they lay a hand on? Learn how to fight from words on the paper. Learn from the shoulders, boxing, shaper, invincible army, Holy Spirit, our general. Weapons are far from most precious of minerals. How will you stand if you don't understand? Fight like a man, scriptures in hand. How will you stand if you don't understand? Fight like a man, scriptures in hand.